Brian pulling up, and then Long Beach Red C7 Corvette convertible. Whoop. Looking clean. You can see a little bit of sling from the tire dressing, but we're making some changes to this car today, so stay tuned. All right, check out Brian's Long Beach Red C7. Here comes the door. Check it out. Whoop! Lambo doors. I love these. Corvette needs to make that an option. Absolutely needs to make it an option. What's up, Brian? Struggling to get out like the rest of us?
You know, man.
I know, man. All right, guys, we're about to get started. So this is Brian's 2019 Long Beach Red C7 Corvette, and you know, one of the great things about this car is that it comes generally with a nice aero package already on it, but he's going to go ahead and enhance it a little bit. So today what we're going to do, he's got the stage 1 rear spoiler here, and we're going to add the stage 2 winglets to this, and it's going to make a big difference. This is what it looks like right now with the stage 1. This is the same setup I had on my Grand Sport when I bought it. So let's do a couple quick look arounds real quick right here. And then we're gonna get started on replacing these. I'll show you how to do that real quick, but let's go ahead and get the before and let's see what it looks like after.
This is a pretty cut and dry install, and I wanna say before I start, Brian went over to a Corvette dealer in the local area. They wanted to charge him $150 for this install. This is literally 5 screws on each side, peeling it off, taking care of the adhesive, and putting the screws back on. For $150, we can do this in about 10 minutes. So the very first thing you can do, the most important thing you can do is protect these screws. And this is what you need to do. Don't go metal to metal. Go out and just get a little Walmart bag. Get a Walmart bag, do this for every single screw. This is a T20 torque set bit. And all you're doing is using this plastic to get in here and undo these screws so you're not damaging and ripping these screws apart. Okay, we removed all the screws. The next part is to get this off. Depending on how long these have been on is how hard it is to get off. So you slowly start peeling these off. All it is some adhesive, and just kind of pull it down.
It's like you got stepped on bubble gum.
There you go, that's
Boom,
it.
done.
So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean up this section, and we're going to show you how they go installed after. So let's do this again since Jason didn't hit record.
I didn't.
So the next thing after you remove the winglets, you take rubbing alcohol and you clean up the area so that the new adhesive will stick to it a lot easier. Did you get that, Jason?
I did. Oh wait, I forgot to hit record. No. No. Nice and clean.
So this is the new winglet. Comes with adhesive already stuck to it. So all you're going to do is go ahead and remove the adhesive. We're going to lightly put this in place before we press into it, get the screws all lined up, because once you do this, it's not going to go on very easy. So let's just take a screw and lightly stick it in place. And definitely do the next one, do the side over here, because the side one's a little tricky. See, it's already sticking. You got to be really careful. Oh, you can hear me. Look at that.
All right, so we are all done. And when I say we, like usual, I mean Steve. But check it out. I think that's a huge improvement. And it's not that I don't like the stage 1, because I actually do. You know, I liked it when it was on my Grand Sport, but the bigger winglets on the side right here, and of course, you know, the back, I just think it looks really good. Really good. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the description or down in the comments. But, you know, we're going to do a full video. This is Brian right here. What you say, Brian?
Hey.
So this is Brian's C7 Grand Sport. So we're going to do a full video with this car. He's got a few other items, though, that he wants to do. And once he gets those done, then we're going to do a full walk around and discussion about this car. But what do you guys think? Long Beach Red. Long Beach Red, Torch Red. Long Beach, Torch. Whoosh.
C7,
Yep.
C8.
Yep. Yeah. This will eventually evaporate and a new car will be in place. Somehow I feel like it's going to be red as usual, but 100%. And he's repping the Vette Syndicate shirt. By the way, we have more Vette Syndicate shirts, and we have new Vette Syndicate shirts if you guys are interested. Pre-orders, we're doing pre-orders right now. There'll be a link down in the description. But that's going to do it for today's video. But man, I think that looks fantastic. All right, guys. From Protective Dad Pranks House, Vette Syndicate, we are out. Everybody have a great week. Peace. Yeah, no doubt. All right, guys, this is Brian's 2019. This is Brian's 2019 C7 Grand Sport. Gonna make one quick change today, but as you can see, this is in Long Beach red. This is a soft top convertible, which is the way they were. I don't like that. That's not. He did change out the front.
Are you recording?
Yeah, just go whenever you're ready.
Okay, so this is gonna pretty much. Okay, this is a Torx Head 20 real. Start over.